magpiano tayo and then hindi ko alam, not that much na I know piano because I know Bloody Mary. Hindi ko alam mag-piano. So, eto, tuturuan ko kayo ng tutorial. I mean, turuan nyo ako ng tutorial paano mag-piano before itong piano na to nabenta. Ano guys, ibebenta kasi ito. So guys, I think mag-wait kayo ng part 2 kasi daming shout-shout dito. So guys, before ma-end tong video na to for part 2, mag-subscribe kayo, like, comment, and hit the notification button. Part